How many cave streams have we done? Is it 2? Or 3? Because there was the twin one. And there was the original. Is that it?
You could probably search for cave on your YouTube channel and it would tell you.
It's too much effort.
When is the next cave stream though? Do you have any caves lined up?
Yeah, we got some crazy caves lined up for the future. Some stuff's gonna blow your mind.
Is one of the caves Mount Everest?
That's not a cave.
I mean, it could be. How do you know?
It's in the name. It's a mountain.
But how do we really know that it's a mountain? Were you there when Mount Everest was named? It's only a mountain because other people think it's one. Just goes to show how influential words are.
I mean, I wasn't there, but like there's photos of it. You know, it's pretty well documented.
Heavily edited images, maybe. And maybe it actually doesn't exist outside of images. Can you be sure it exists?
Are you claiming right now that Mount Everest doesn't exist?
I'm just saying, can you be sure it exists? Have you seen it in real life with your own eyes?
I mean, I guess not.
Exactly. For all you know, Mount Everest isn't real. Honestly, I doubt the existence of any tourist trap. Have you ever met anyone who's been to the top? Doubt it.
Huh. I mean, when you put it like, they're always like, Mount Everest is full. You know, it's full of people, and it's a problem. There's so many people there. Why do you not know anyone that's been?
Yeah, and don't get me started on the moon landing.
You know what, let's not get you started on the moon landing. Yeah, no, let's get you started on the moon landing. Go ahead.
Have you heard of the double slit experiment?
Yes, I have.
So the universe might not actually exist when no one is looking at it.
No, that's not what the double slit experiment means.
Well, it might mean that. You have no idea.
I do.
Are you a quantum physicist now?
I'm not a quantum physicist, but, you know, I happen to be educated on the subject of Young's double slit experiments.
Then explain it to me all smartass. Maybe we can chat about Schrodinger's cat afterwards.
Well, when you have certain very small particles that pass through two slits, like electrons or photons, they produce interference patterns. And if you happen to count or observe with some sort of photon observer or similar, the particles, before they go through, thus collapsing the quantum waveform that decides the superposition of which slit it goes through, it produces a different interference pattern. But what people get confused about is the observation doesn't mean someone's looking at it, you know? It doesn't depend on whether you're looking at it.
Sure, that's the textbook explanation. But until scientists prove to me they're not lying about observing it, then I don't really have a reason to believe them.
But it's, okay. You know what? Whatever. You brought this up.
Yeah, I know, but I wanted to hear your thoughts on it.
Okay, and how does that relate to the moon landing?
Well, if no one's looking at the moon, and the universe doesn't exist when no one's looking, then maybe we wouldn't know if there's actually a moon or not.
Well, but the universe does exist when no one's looking, is the point.
You don't know that. Have you ever turned your back and had your whole room just disappear? No, of course you haven't. You can't turn around fast enough to see it.
Do you have a sense of object permanence?
I have an internal model of my room that tells me my bed, lamp, and wife are all still there when I'm not looking at them, but I've never been able to prove they physically exist in space during that time.
Just look at them all at the same time.
But then I can't listen to this banger either. Have you ever listened to They're Back by Cocodrilo?
Use your eyes and your ears at the same time. It's not too difficult.
Can you? Did you know it's impossible to look in two different directions at once? According to scientists, this is because humans have only one pair of eyes.
Yeah, but like, what if your eyes look in different directions?
If your left eye is seeing one thing and your right eye is seeing another, then what you're looking at sits in a superposition, and only exists when you collapse the waveform by looking at it with both eyes.
That's just, you're making shit up now.